Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Maths Ale. This is the Applied Practice Paper H. Here we're working on a Venn diagram question. So in this question we have 180 students at a college following a general course in computing. Students on this course can choose to take up to 3 extra modules. 112 students take system support, 70 take developing software, 81 take networking, 35 take developing software and system support, 28 take networking, developing and developing software, 40 take system support and networking, 4 take all 3 options. Draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. Now we do this in a very precise way. What we're actually going to do is work our way back through these pieces of information here. So starting right from the beginning, and let's give these some names. So we want systems support, we want developing software, and we want networking. Okay, so clearly labeling our diagram. What we want next is to input this data point here for take all 3 options. So put a little 4 in the middle of all those 3 Venn diagrams overlapping. Okay, working backwards now, 40 takes system support and networking. Now 40 takes system support and networking. We've already got 4 of these students inside this overlap here. So what we need is an extra 36 students here that take system support, networking, but not this developing software option. Okay, 40 in total will take both of these 2 options though. So we've done that one, we've done this one. 28 now take networking and developing software. We've already got 4 of those students accounted for here, so we need 24 students inside this overlap here. So we've got a total of 28 in that developing software and networking overlap. Going backwards again, 35 take developing software and system support. So for exactly the same reasons we need a 31 in here. 81 take networking. Now if we've got 36, 4 that's 40. If we've got 64 students already inside this networking bubble, then what we're going to need are 17 more to sign up to make 81 in total in that networking bubble. Okay, if you add all these numbers up inside this circle here, you're going to get 81. 70 take developing software, so if we add together 31, 4, that's 35, add another 24, and you'll get 59. What we need is an extra 11 to make up to that 70 number that take developing software. And for system support, we need 112 in total inside that circle. So we'll have 36 plus 4, that's 40. Add another 31, you get 71. So we'll need an extra 41 students to make that whole circle 112. Now what we have to do now is take into account the fact we have 180 students in total. So some of these students may not have taken any of the extra 3 modules. What you'll find is if you add all of these values together, you're going to get 164, and so therefore we need 16 extra students that don't take any of those 3 modules. Make sure, this is the typical bit where people miss it out, make sure you have recognised these 16 people that don't take any of the extra modules. Okay, so that's part A complete. A student from the course is chosen at random. Find the probability the student takes none of these 3 extra options. Well, in that case here, that's 16 out of 180 students. Part 2 is networking only. That's 17 out of the 180 students. Students who take system support and networking, so that's system support and networking, these 2 here are eligible to become technicians. So 40 of our students here are eligible to become technicians. So that's 40 students here. Given that the randomly chosen student is eligible to become a technician, so I'm assuming here our probability is going to be over 40, find the probability that a student takes all 3 extra options? Well, in this case here, we're looking for people who can become technicians, in which case we're only looking out of these 40 students here. 4 of these students study all 3 options, so our probability here is 4 out of 40. Okay, that's 9 marks for that question.